Okay, good evening, everyone here. Thank you very much, Dr. Kunt. I'm going to present a little bit about transportation as well, which is the evaluation of traffic operating system, a case study of Nicosia using software or Transit 7F software. SIDRA software, not Transit 7F. The outline of the study, as you can see here, we have introduction. It's a study done by one of my master students. We have introduction, problem statement, objective. We'll go through the scope of the study and methodology, study area, results, and so on. At introduction, that we know worldwide we are facing a problem of traffic jam nowadays, especially like rapidly growing cities around the world. We are facing a traffic jam. As you can see here, increasing of number of population worldwide will lead to increase the demand on public or private vehicle, which increase the number of vehicles on the road. The problem statement here, the poor coordination between the traffic signals time and the number of vehicles will lead to the poor coordination. It will increase the traffic jam on the street. So as you can see here, sometimes the traffic, what we are trying to do here is trying to evaluate the green time we are giving for each direction. We try to find out if it's suitable according to the volume of the traffic from each direction. The aims of our study was to investigate the performance of road network of selected area. We cannot generalize the case study. We just take some intersection in Nicosia. Then we are going to evaluate it using software 7F. Then to evaluate the performance of road network after the measurements and the coordination of traffic signal. We will get the volume, then we just do the analysis. We will calculate the green time according to the volume for each direction. Then we will apply it to the software again and compare the results of that. This is the study area, the selected study area. As you can see from here, we have intersection. To be honest, I don't know the places. I just know nearest university and the terminal. I think I know here beside the stadium, I think, the way, the main way, let's say from nearest university to CIU, that way we get 3 intersections over here. Then we move further to get one in Gunyali, right here after the big roundabout of Gunyali. We collect the data. This is some images from the study area. We collect the data. Actually, we collect the data. We cannot generalize this issue even for this intersection because it's not an intensive collection of the data. We collect the data like for, I think, 1 week only, which cannot be generalized. We need to get the intensive collection of the data in order to see this is the real data. This is actually, we have the flowchart of study, we have the field study, then we collect the data designation. We have some factors to convert the whole vehicles to one vehicle, to car, like motorcycle. We have trucks, minibuses, buses, so we try to convert it to vehicle because the software is dealing with vehicle. We have different types of SIDRA intersection, but we use here SIDRA intersection 8 is very expensive a bit. We use the free available one, which is SIDRA intersection number 5. We apply some suggestions in order to improve the traffic flow at intersection. We increase the lane width according the software give ability to increase the width of the lane, to adjust the cycle time, the total green time for the whole intersection. Determining the path, we just remove the heavy vehicle from the traffic stream. We remove it. Then we come to calculate the optimum cycle time according to the volume for each direction. Optimize the cycle time, then we got the results. This is the result, as you can see here, of delay. The delay is the time that you are going to stop on the intersections. You can see here, I don't know if it's clear or not. I don't think so. The blue one here is the normal evaluation. Then we have the valued one with this after we calculate the green time according to to each direction. We find that the reduction has happened. What does this mean? The other one, the green one, is just we play, try and error. We play with the software, trying to optimize the cycle time, try to opening in new phases. So we see that the reduction in optimal cycle time it could be that, as I can say that I have 4.5 years here in North Cyprus, since I came, I think, in 2017. I have never seen any study done, collection of the data or something like that, for 5 years. But the number of vehicle, every month, we can say, every year is increased, but no studies. The same traffic light, since I came here, because I know some intersections, the same traffic, the green time is the same, since 4 years, the same time, in the evening, in the morning and the evening. So this is actually wrong. We need to do a collection of the data every year to log what's going on here. Of course, once the delay decreases, the travel speed is increased. The travel speed will be increased, of course. Since the delay is decreased, the fuel consumption will be decreased, which the COO emission, which is very important, will be decreased as well. I'm not going to details for this. So I came to conclusion that I don't want to take a lot of your time, that in order to have a better traffic stream that we know we are facing, this is all at peak hours, actually, morning peak hours and evening peak hours. Here we don't have, I think, afternoon peak hours. In some places like Jakarta, Malaysia, Bangkok, they have afternoon peak hours as well. We need actually to have intensive collection of the data to find out the better solutions here. And we find that it could be, I'm not sure that the setting of traffic light is according to the experience. Just a guy, he's working, okay, give this 50 seconds, give this direction 20 seconds, and that's it. Not according to the traffic. It could be, sorry, I'm not sure. So it could be. This is the recommendation that I have for authorities. It could be useful to use other softwares. We have like Transit 7F, we have FISM. It'd be better that to compare the results using different softwares. It's recommended that to expand, as I see, this is only 5 intersections that we choose from Nicosia city center. It's better to extend the area of study to have a complete idea about the situation of the traffic in Nicosia. Then the number of vehicles is always increasing, so it's better to calculate annually appropriate green time. Annually, we need to calculate the green time according to the direction or to the volume of the traffic to improve and develop public transport. I can quote here a speech of the mayor of Bogota when he said that a developing country is not a country where the poor people have vehicles, but a developing country is a country when the rich people, like Prof. Umit, using public transport. Using a public transport, not... that's all from me. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.